Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to explore the BOOKR library in the Teacher's Dashboard. Navigate to our extensive collection of classics, modern fiction, poems, nursery rhymes and flashcard sets via the Books tab. Here you can see two filters which are easy to set. Click Books with Activity Tips for a list of books with printables that you can download and print by clicking the Download PDF button. Here are the search options you use to find a book. First, type a keyword and see the list of corresponding results below. Use these filters to narrow the result. Choose your preference and wait for the chart to update. By clicking on Manage Book, you have two options. Choose Details and the book's profile page will appear where you can find all the information about the book. At the top of the page, you can see information regarding the recommended age group and levels. After completing each book, the students earn a badge and a number of coins. The student will see a pop-up window in the app that shows what they have earned by reading the book. Here you can find downloadable activity tips that are very helpful when you are planning your class activities. Further down the page, you can see the cover of the book along with other information. To get an impression of the story, click Watch Preview and watch the first 3 pages of the book. At the bottom of the page are more details about the educational content of the book, as well as a list of tags to give you an idea of the content and skills the books develop. To learn more about assigning a book to a student, please watch our How to Assign a Book tutorial video.